Hi, I'm Pamela from Content Clarity and welcome to my channel, a channel where you can find out all about how to run a successful online business. Now, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can add text to your Instagram Reels and also change the duration of that text so that it appears and disappears at exactly the right point in your reel. Now, if you are new to Instagram Reels and just dipping your toe in, you might be just wondering exactly how on earth people manage to achieve that. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. So let me flip across to my mobile screen now and I will show you step by step how to do that. So first things first, you're going to want to film your reel. So crack on and film all the footage that you need to make your reel. Once you have your footage, it is time to add your text. Now, obviously, we want to add our text to each one of these 3 points. So how do we do that? Well, let me show you how we do that now. First things first, you are going to click to add text at the top far right. So you're going to want to add a piece of text now. So I've added my first piece of text. How do I change the duration? Well, as you can see on the bottom of the screen there, it is actually highlighted. And you'll see that whilst that is playing on the very bottom of the screen, I can actually drag from the left and from the right. I'll do from the right exactly how long I want this to appear on the screen for. So if you think about it, I only want it to appear before that first ping. So I'm dragging it just to see. Just about there. So then I'm going to add my second piece of text. And again, I'm going to want to do the same thing with that. So I want that to only appear when I point my finger at the screen. So if I select it at the bottom here, so you can see we can change between that first piece of text and the second piece. So again, I want to drag this in from the left because I actually don't want that to appear until my finger is at that particular bit, which is about there. And then I want it to only appear until I point my second finger, which is about there. So then we're going to add our third piece of text. And again, I've selected that on the bottom of the screen and I only want that to appear when I point my finger above my head, which is about here. And then again, I only want it to appear until I point my finger to the other side of me. So there we go. And if I add my last piece of text now, and with this last piece of text, again, I just need to make sure that it only appears when I point to the side. So what does that then look like at the end? Once you are completely happy with the text, you just click next and you're good to add your caption and share to your reels. So there you have it. That is how you add text to your Instagram Reels and also change the duration of that text so that it appears and disappears exactly when you want it to. Go and have fun with your Instagram Reels. Make sure you follow me at Content Clarity and let me see those reels that you create. And I will see you again in another video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.